Hello, in this video we will take a look at the distinct feature of Linq, the extension method. And like most of them, they are quite easy and straightforward to use once you actually know what they are meant for, what they do. And so I will explain to you. Now, distinct is actually kind of self-explanatory, and the reason is because it picks distinct values from a collection. Now, a collection is a list, an array, but I usually just say a list because that's what I tend to use. But in any case, from a list, it will pick the distinct values and it will create a new list. Now, to explain this better, I have this little example here. We have A1, A1, A2, A2, okay, and then A5. So in general, we have two values right here that are the same, and then two more values that are the same and one value of its kind, right? So if you only need to know what kinds of groups maybe there are, what kinds of numbers were provided, if you don't need to have them all, if you need to have the distinct values, or in other words, you need to have one of each, this feature will come in handy because distinct will select only one of each. Okay, so if I run this, you will see that we will lose those extra values and we will get a sort of clean list of simply those distinct values. Right here we can see we have count 3. Now the original, you see, was count 5. If we look at the list, we have A1, A2, A5 instead of A1, A1, A2, A2, A5. So this is one of each, and that's what distinct does. It gives you one of each out of that collection. Now, to make this easier, I chose a list of strings, but it could very well be a list of your own class model. It doesn't matter what kind of an object it is, it will find those distinct values. So you take your list, you extend it with distinct, and then you should probably convert it to list or to array, because initially it's not a list. What you get is not a list, but you can easily convert that using Linq as well. You obviously need to provide a Linq using statement on the top in order to actually use this. So quite a simple thing and quite a useful thing. Now, if you like this, do click the like button, subscribe to this channel, and check out my C# course where you will learn more things about C# and a few more things to get you started with Linq as well.